if you forgot the password to your Redmi 15 and now you cannot unlock your phone, then in that case what you can do is you can perform a hard reset of the smartphone. So you can erase all data through the recovery mode. And unfortunately, this means that you will get rid of everything that you have on the internal storage. So unless of course you made a backup. So if you have a backup, then that's not too bad. You can restore data. But if you don't have one, then unfortunately you will get rid of everything in the process. So if you decide to factory reset your Redmi 15, then in that case, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So we're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time so that we open the power menu, and let's swipe up to turn off our device. Now, once the device is fully off, we're gonna press and hold these two buttons again. But once you feel the vibration or see the Xiaomi logo, you can just hold the volume up button. So let's press and hold both buttons first. And then once you feel the vibration, you can hold the volume up. And you need to keep holding it until you see the recovery mode. There we go. Now over here in this menu, we navigate using volume buttons. So use volume up and down in order to choose something and to choose a different position. And you want to go ahead and choose wipe data. You confirm your choice by pressing the power button. And if you see any additional instructions or some options on the screen, then you just have to follow them in order to continue. After that, you should see the initial configuration again, so you will have to set up your phone again. And that's how we can get the access to our Redmi 15 again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.